myself Rakshanda. I have completed my BTech in the stream of CSE and MTech in the stream of CSE and have passed out in the year 2020. Later in the month of Jan, that is 2023, I have joined QSpiders, where I have learned the SQL skills, manual skills and code Java, and I am ongoing with the automation testing. In SQL, which is done by Vaibhav sir, where we actually learn how to get to know about what actually the tables, primary keys, what are the basics to get entry into a IT sector. Then coming to a manual, which is done by Uma Shankar sir, where actually sir teaches us not only the things which is given in the notes, sir explains us how to face the interview, what are the questions they are asking during the interviews, and sir also groom us after the whole manual course which is done. Then the Java, which is done by Chidambaram sir, sir actually help us in such a way that whenever we supposed to go with the queries or doubts, sir help us to clarify them, and every week sir used to give us the mock so that we shouldn't able to forget the previous things. So by giving every week the mocks, we are in such a way that we'll be able to crack the interview, so that just by a glance, if we have a glance over the subjects, we get into the that is actual topic, or we'll come to know what actually the things are going in the subjects. And then the thing which is mainly I have seen in the QSpiders is that we'll undergo the presentations every day, where we'll increase our communication skills, which will help us to have more skills from ourselves. And in the presentation group, we'll be having the group of members where we'll share the ideas, where we'll give some suggestions, or we'll hear the suggestions, or we'll help to solve the problems which will be taught in the class. And then at the end of all the courses, we'll be given with the mock, which is very important, where mock which will be handled in such a way that they'll ask us the questions in how the interviewers are going to ask us, and after clearing the mocks, we are given in such a way, we are given with the many requirements. So I thank all the faculty members who have trained me to get placed in a company, and then I thank all the HRs who have given me the requirements so that I have got placed. Finally, I have got placed in a company called as Bluemont Solutions, where I have undergone the 5 rounds, that is APTI round, then second round was with the SQL test cases, third round was with the manual test cases, fourth round was with the 2 manual test engineers, and final round was with the director. So I thank all the faculty members, Vaibhav sir, Chidambaram sir, Uma Shankar sir, and Manjunath sir, Pawan sir, who have groomed me in the grooming classes, and Ritesh sir, who have groomed me even in the grooming classes. And I thank the HRs, Nandita ma'am, Shamla ma'am, Monica ma'am, and everyone, and all the whole Hebbal branch. So thank you for giving me the requirements and being placed. I suggest you to join QSpiders so that you will be in a position to get into an IT sector. Thank you.